in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to color code your data with drop-down lists here in Google Sheets. So when working with drop-downs, did you know that you can actually color code them to make them stand out more and make it easier for you to read your data? Here's how you can do it. I have 3 drop-downs on this sample data. We have our column C for position, column F for status, and column G for payment method. If we start with our column C where we have our positions and click on one of those options, we're going straight on that edit button at the bottom right corner, which will open our data validation rules on the right side. Now for each of these options, you can do a lot of things. You can either delete that, move it, or change the color for that option. So let's go ahead and change the color for each of these options right here. We have the first one. To change the color for that option, just go to the drop-down right here. There we have it. And here are the different colors that we can choose. Now, if you want to have more colors, you can go to Customize right here. You can customize the color that you want to use for that option. That is totally up to you, especially when you don't find it in the default colors that you have right here. But if these will suffice, then you can go ahead and select one. I'm going to select this one right here, a dark cyan color. Click on it, and that will be the color for that option. Now, once we're done with everything, then we will only see it applied to our entire column right here. So let's go ahead and select another color for another option. So for a clerk, again, click on that drop down. Your colors will appear. If you don't like the colors you see, you can always go to Customize and select a color that you want. So in Customize, you will also have your text color. If you already want to select a text color for your option, you can do so right here. So if I were to select a white text color and a dark blue background, if I click on OK, that will again be applied once we are done with our data validation rules. So let's just go ahead and select another color for our supervisor. There we go. A red one for assistant and a purple one for the staff. If we click on done at the bottom right corner, you would automatically see all the changes that you've selected on that column. So here we have our manager, our clerk, our supervisor, assistant, and staff. So by default, if you do try and select a darker color, your text color will be a lighter one, so you'll be able to read it or it will be able to stand out. By color coding each of these options, you are able to quickly select which option you want for this column. Let's try and do that with our status. So for this one, we have 3 options. And if we go to the edit button on the bottom right corner, again, our data validation rules on the right side will appear. Let's go ahead and color code this. So for the active one, I'm going to select a lighter color. There we go. And there we have it. Click on done at the bottom right. And now we have that applied on our status column. Now for this one, since we have a light background, our text color is not exactly that dark, but it is dark enough in contrast to our background for our dropdown. And there you have it. Lastly, for our payment method, here we go. Click on one of the options again. Click on the edit button and just select your colors. So I've chosen 2 dark colors and 1 light color. Click on done. And there you have it. You will see the contrast on the dark background options that would have a white text and the light colored background with a contrasting colored text. And there you have it. So that's how easy it is. You can color code your data with your drop-down lists here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.